Hatwireho imihondano hagati y'ubutare bw'ento bubiri ekizere kugemesereza RDC wa district ya Kasese Lieutenant Joy Walusimbi okuhandikira abashubuzi aba ebaroha ngo atungira ubushobozi okurwo wa mukuru wa International Security Organization ISO ngo butaro bubiri bure kamwe kagume kakore esandi ibiri rero nakandi kakore sande zindi ibiri. Ekikorwa eki kikozere ry'abashubuzi ekizere kugemesereza bibyo kwerinda ebara mu polisi hamwe na UPDF abatibwa hakataraka babugine na Buchanan Development Association ngo bajema abashubuzi ngo batware ente zabo omukatareka Arisam Company Limited ekitabire cyanguhi ekizere kugemesereza polisi okufutera masasi. Nka TV West tubaze kuchiromwe otirwa masaso mu kibero ahirwara ryabwera habe natungira ubuzanzabi kandi ibintu byagambire.
We polisi nayo yantera amasasi. Kuntera amasasi tunece yantera. Polisi yabene amahe izabatakenga katari ahikora murugwera tinama y'iki bambashevra ko harabaho motoka yo kubanza yente bagira byaho ito turiyo twareba batera tiya gas ingenda nyeshereka uza kweshereka inanyesherekere umuntu iza direct nantera amashasi kandi nyundi mushubuzi wente
tusinkane amajenga gamanji n'abasirikare ngabanje nitwebuza kiki cyo hano bagamate rero tumwe no gukorera wano mujya gukorera mu katara ke wanse tugamba aterwaje bagamba neda ngo no mujya kwanga mukorera weekend neri weekend ntugamba nga burijo nibo twaringa tukora nene ugatukora katirwaje mwacu isimbwe tungaga imba neda rero mwino kugendeyo ubamwagana ubanu ngatumwagade mwino kugendayo.
Geoffrey Bigogo ori mukuru w'entebe ya katano habwa district ya Kasese ashikiro mwanyogu ajumirire kikorwa ekibiro.
But now the deployment that you have seen here of the army and the police is to force those traders to take their cows to another market of a particular person that does not even have a license from the local authority. The letters I have seen indicate that it is the Director General of ISO who directed the RDC to force traders to share shifts so that traders of Owino can be forced at one time not sell from Owino but they go to Chiseka.
Sylvester Mamponzi ori meya wa Mpondwe Rubiha Town Council nagira ngo nangwa council ekiyima katareka Arisam Company Limited ahabu kugira ngo kari ahagati eye town.
We rejected because the place was not strategic and it was not on our plan. We have halted that. Things were taken as far as the Minister of Economics office who directed that there should be a status quo, that if those ones feel they should carry business, they should. And illegally on my side as council, because we never authorized them, they started selling.
Polisi tebaze kugamba hanshongeji abo kugira ngo RDC abire yamazire kuhandikira abantu abo gasha kwa Gilbert Muhanguzi omuri Kasese.